Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will share a few organizing ideas which can help you to organize your home and kitchen at zero cost. All these organizers can be made using things that are easily available at home or by repurposing waste items. Let's get started. One of my favorite organizers is this Lazy Susan or turntable. This also can be made at home easily by just using 2 old steel plates of same size and marbles. Take a plate and put marbles in it. Now place another plate on it and see the magic. And that's it. Now top plate can be easily revolved. Spices and condiments can be easily accessed by just giving a top plate a spin. Isn't it great? You may also decorate a bit to make it look beautiful. You must have seen this shirt organizer in my earlier videos. This is a great organizer to store shirts and t-shirts which can be easily accessed by just pulling out from here. Although this is a ready-made one, but it can be easily made at home also with the waste rectangular cardboard box. So take the box and first remove all the 4 edges from the top. Now in one of the smaller sides, give a U-cut. Leave 2 inches from both the sides and bottom. Now wrap a paper or cloth to decorate or use it as it is. Your efficient shirt organizer is ready. If you make pastas or pizzas at home, then you must be having these kind of pizza seasoning bottles. These bottle caps generally have 2 side openings. One side is sprinkler and other side is regular. Empty bottles can be repurposed to store spices. Just remove the stickers from the bottle and cap. Now fill up the bottle with your choice of spices and salt. Spices can be sprinkled when needed by just opening one side. They can also be used on the dining table as salt and pepper shaker. I think we all have some crockery which is difficult to discard despite being partially broken because it is still so beautiful. Like I have this serving bowl with broken side handles and this spatula holder which is broken from the corner edge. I have attached the piece back with the help of hot glue, but the broken mark is still visible. Now these can be repurposed by just doing some DIY decor. Let's take this spatula holder first. To hide the broken part, I am using this white decorative strip covering the edge properly. Same strip is used again. And that's it. Now beautiful spatula holder is ready. See the entirely new look? You can also use it as a planter which will surely enhance the look of any area of your house. Now let's bring this serving bowl in use again. To hide its broken handles, I am using these colorful pom-poms which I removed from some old jute basket. Now with the help of hot glue, I will place them here. It can be used like this, or we can add more pom-poms. Middle part is covered with pom-poms now and it's looking beautiful and vibrant. I am using it as a tea light holder to decorate my dining table. Looks lovely. If you have any old grater which is not sharp anymore and lying waste in your kitchen, use it to make a towel holder. It is very simple. Cover the handle with a thin rope like this to give it an earthy look. Now in the middle here, place either a wooden spoon or ready-made flour. You may also spray paint the grater with the color of your choice. Now this can be used as a decor piece on your kitchen wall or can be used as a kitchen towel holder. This one is very simple. If you have any waste and discarded key holder, don't throw away. I am using it as it is, but you may paint it if you wish to. It can be repurposed in your kitchen to hang serving spoons, ladles or measuring cups. If it is with letter holder, then this part can be used to store paper napkins, kitchen towel or wooden spatulas. These days we all have different charging cables for phones, tablets, Bluetooth speakers, etc. Managing them is a task. Now to organize them, you just need a few empty toilet rolls. You can use them as it is or color them for more appealing look. Now place them in a box like this and your cable organizer is ready. Just fold the cables and place them in these rolls. Make sure that the charging pin is facing upwards so that it is easy for you and your family to find the right cable without looking each and every cable. And with this, we are wrapping up the video. Just by simple creative ideas, we can repurpose old and waste items to give them a longer life with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.